Okay everybody, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna try and repair this Asus ZenPad tablet. I already got here one of the boards which was changed a couple years ago because the USB connector is damaged. Someone pushed the cable the wrong way and broke a pin. So it went to repair. They changed the complete board. I truly believe that the whole board is okay except for the connector. And on the new one, the same happened again. They plugged it incorrectly, broke the USB connector, and you cannot charge the thing. So I'm gonna try and repair it. I got here a spare USB connector, and now that I got the rework station, I'll try and see if I'm able to fix it. So I'm just sliding this tool here on the side of it in order to open the thing. And, I'm almost there, but not yet. So damn little thing, huh? I got here these little tools for mobile phones that I'm gonna use on this thing. I'm gonna start pulling all the connectors out, so I have to pull the stickers. And this is gonna be a long video for sure. Okay. Not sure if you can see, you don't see a thing probably. Yeah. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, so I'm trying to disconnect this one here. That's for the camera. Alright, it's disconnected. So I believe all the others are on the downside, so I'm gonna start removing the screws. One. Now I'm going for second speaker. Come out, you little prick. Gee. Tiny little screws, these make me wanna scream. Because they are so tiny, you can easily lose them. So, lift the board up. I've got another two here in the middle. Black ones that go with the ring. Very tiny. And there's another motherfucker here, covered with a stupid warranty a stupid warranty sticker, and that's the kind of thing that stays hidden underneath the whole board and makes you crack the board when you pull it out. Those warranties, they never do anything when you got a problem. So, and I still got the connector in here on this side. Alright, I got the board out of the tablet. Set the tablet aside, and now desolder this connector here. I'm gonna desolder this, and I'm gonna use the rework station. I got it set at 300 degrees, and yeah, pretty sure the old board is fine. Pretty sure the old board is fine. And alright, I'm gonna try and desolder this. Can you see it? Still not popping out. $300. And I got here a sticker. Covering the pins. I have to pull it out, set it aside. Probably I'm gonna have to do the big pins. Okay, I'm gonna cover this piece here on the side. Let me show you, zoom in, everything falls. I'm gonna cover this piece here on the side with a piece of this metal tape to avoid it from melting. Good, it finally came out. Alright, cover this one here because I don't want it to melt with the heat. I've increased the heat gun to 400 degrees, and let me see if now I'm gonna be able to pull the thing out. And there we go. 400 degrees and the broken connector came out. See it here? Now I'm gonna pick up the new one. I got here. Focus. That's the new connector. And I'm gonna use this liquid solder. I've never used this before. It's gonna be my first time using it, and I hope it works as advertised. Let me open it. Okay, I got it open. There's this thing here. Yeah. So this is the old connector, gonna set it aside, I don't wanna make the mistake of soldering that one again. So I'm gonna place the new one. There. I gotta clean the solder on the holes, and for that I'm gonna use this sucker thing I just bought. Not working very well. And put it in place. Gonna heat it up with a rework again. But wait a bit. I'm gonna put a bit of this liquid solder on these pins. Maybe I'm putting way too much. I'm gonna use a little bit of this braided stuff to clean this. Okay, after a lot of struggle, like 5 minutes, I've managed to solder the thing in place. And I'm gonna pull out this, and I think that this is pretty much in place. I'm gonna put that sticker back on. It's just a stupid sticker that goes there, and if it doesn't want to stay in place, I'll just pull it out. Okay, it looks like it doesn't want to stay in place. I got glue here from that stuff, which I'm gonna clean. Hopefully the thing is soldered correctly, and the connector seems to be fine. Assembling the thing is the reverse process, so put this connector here in place. And well, it seems to be charging. Is it? At least when I plug the cable, it does something. It does pop on the screen. Yep, and it says it's charging. Woo! So this one is fixed. Just gonna assemble the thing back, and yeah, this one will be good to go. Subscribe to the channel, click like, comment if you want, and that's how you repair a USB connector on a Asus ZenPad 10 Z300 series. See you next time. Just gonna put the back cover. That's quite simple. Actually, I can show you on video, make it quick. Just pop it in. Let me see this way. Yes, it pops in this way. You just put it here and press it, and it'll be okay.